ये वाले अच्छे हैं, इसमें लगाओ बोलो। ये सेम प्लांट्स इसमें दो ना
हाय
तो
ईशा।
ओ हाय
हाय।
काम्या। सालों से दिस हाउस नेवर हैड अ नेम, इट वाज ऑलवेज हेमा मालिनी का बंगला। दिस इज ड्रीम गर्ल्स होम।
ड्रीम गर्ल्स ड्रीम होम।
Yeah.
यहाँ पर कुशंस हैं आपके डैड के, यहाँ पे मॉम के, तो ये उनकी डेजिग्नेटेड सीट्स हैं।
You can say that.
I can sense so much love in this house, Aisha. We've all grown up see the unconditional love between Hema ji and Dharmendra ji.
That level of love doesn't exist. There was dignity to it, there was respect in it. This is where the dance rehearsals happen. We have different cooks, different kitchens. Whether it's your mother or mother-in-law, it's always a good idea.
This kitchen is exclusively for Hema ji. You sound so much like your mom.
I think I'm as blunt as her at times. It's the Gayatri Mantra. It's the first shloka I learned from my father. I don't think anyone can have a heart like his. Papa always loved dogs.
A loving dog.
I used to love hugging Papa. He's here always. Huh?
Loved by everyone. I can feel his presence right here.
Whew, let's not start on a. I don't know how I've held myself together today.
This is what Hema ji and Dimple ji have fed their kids.
When it comes to decisions, I like to take my own decisions क्योंकि कल को सही हो या गलत मैं दूसरों को नहीं पकड़ूंगी उस be it choice of films, a boyfriend.
Even when you're going through your separation.
Being in a profession that we are in, it's open to public fodder. You know, these are very sensitive places in life. One has to tread to very carefully.
ये है मुंबई का वो घर जहां ड्रीम गर्ल हेमा मालिनी जी ने अपने सपनों का सफर शुरू किया था। इस घर ने देखा है उनका डांस, उनका स्टारडम और उनकी प्यारी लव स्टोरी विद धर्मेंद्र जी। और आज इस घर में एशा देओल अपनी एक नई कहानी लिख रही हैं। So on this episode of Sunday Brunch, I am stepping into a 54-year-old house that has seen every aspect of Bollywood. Let's go. I just told my audience it feels like I'm stepping into history because I'm told ये घर 50 सालों से भी ज्यादा पुराना है। जब से हेमा मालिनी जी आए हैं मुंबई तब से वो यहीं रह रहे हैं।
Born and brought up
in this house.
in this house. Of course, it was a different bungalow, but the 2005 floods literally pushed us out and said, now it's time to renovate because it had become in a very bad condition. Now, of course, in our lane itself, there are some constructions of 15 stories, 16 stories, but I think we are very happy with what we have by the grace of God.
फ्लोर है यहाँ पर अब?
यहाँ पे 3 to 4.
कौन कौन रहता है इस घर में?
Mummy, aunt, and we have few family members, and there's me and mine. This is full of art and culture, and my mom. I think this is Dream Girl's home.
Absolutely.
You know.
Dream girl's dream home.
Yeah, and I'm Dream Girl's daughter. That's the dance mudras. We all dancers. My aunt is a fantastic dancer herself, so it resonates a lot with the people living in the house. You'll have to remove your shoes because
Okay.
this is actually where the dance rehearsals happen. And these are mom's rules, and we also do certain pujas and havans and meditations, and he's here always. And
Loved by everyone. I can feel his presence right here to
he's
be
there
honest.
everywhere. Whew, let's not start on a emotional note. Then you can see a lot of images of Mama's performance. There are some books on dance, then Nataraj ji.
तो अभी भी आते हैं यहाँ पर डांस करने के लिए?
There are 30 people dance in this room at time. That's why the wooden floor. My mom's dance ballet. Been doing these ballets for the longest time.
Continues to
she
do
continues
it,
to do by the
wow.
grace of God. She's dancing. So
I
whenever
can
there's a
imagine
show,
her being so graceful even at this age.
oh, yeah, that keeps her going. You know, I mean, each one has their way of dealing with Many things life throws at you. For her, it's dance.
What about you?
Here, me also dancing, and that's a lovely picture of Anna, me, and my mom.
But I believe आप एक टाइम पर फुटबॉल भी बहुत खेला करते थे.
Yeah, I've been
Almost selected like for the national
Yeah,
team, but didn't
yeah.
pursue. I'm asking you because my daughter plays
Oh,
football, by
how
the way.
nice!
Yeah.
And what position is she playing?
She's a midfielder.
How cool. So me, I was obviously centre forward and
Okay.
all that. I played it for a very long time, almost 7 to 8 years, very passionately. I've always been very athletic and it just continues, and my daughters have taken to football now.
That's nice. I love your tattoos on your back, by the way.
Yeah, it's the Gayatri Mantra. It's the first shloka I learned from my father. And then,
तो ये फुटबॉल से डांसिंग में कैसे आए आप?
thanks to my mom, everyone's asking me, do your daughters dance? So, and I have to say, no. And it, it's so embarrassing for me. Y'all don't dance. Y'all only want to run and play football. And I used to get up at 5 in the morning and go for practice and all that. So then we tried Bharatnatyam, and I was a big fan of Pratima Bedi ji and her Odissi dance and all. I used to watch it a lot on TV back in the day. My grandmother used to watch, so I used to sit and watch. Then we found a very lovely Odissi Guruji, Ravindra Attibuddhi ji, who managed to patao me, and that's when I started dancing. So ये office room है. These are all very beautiful photographs and paintings given by fans. This is my mom's dance Durga ballet. This photograph is my dad, my mom and me. She was carrying me and riding a camel and horse during this movie.
Which movie is
Razia Sultan. And even Satte Pe Satta I was there. So I would say those are my 2 debut films. This is so nice, huh? This is made by thread. Again, the fans have given this. You got to honor these hand-painted paintings. They are not AI.
घर पे सबसे पहले कौन उठता है ईशा?
सबसे पहले my Chiku, he is my Maltese Poo. वो उठता है और वो मुझे उठाता है.
अच्छा.
So I don't set an alarm on my phone. My alarm is my pet. I have 6 of them.
6.
Yeah, I've always had 6 dogs. So earlier I had 6 Shih Tzus. Then now I have 6 Maltese Poos.
तो आप ही सबसे biggest pet lover in this house?
No. Biggest was Papa always.
Oh really?
Loved dog. That's how we were introduced to dogs. My grandmom, she always had her own pom. So we've grown up with dogs. मेरा जो है वो मुझे 5:45 तक आ जाता है. And very sweetly like this, so sweet. So that's my mother's kitchen and the rest of the family. I have a separate kitchen. I have separate floors because sometimes Radha Mira's father is here and their grandparents come and they eat non-veg, and my mom is very strict, and we have different cooks, different kitchens. Whether it's your mother or mother-in-law, it's always a good idea.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This kitchen is exclusively for Hema ji.
This is a little formal, like a one-on-one or 3-4 people sitting and talking. And then this was a table I was very keen we had. We were like, we want one big table where everyone who comes home, also family-wise, can all meet together.
Now one very distinctive feature I can see is यहाँ पर cushions हैं, यहाँ पर आपके dad के, यहाँ पे mom के, तो ये उनकी designated seats हैं या decor element
You can say
है?
that. This is given by a very nice person. He's a big fan of my mom and dad.
I can sense so much love in this house, Aisha. It's amazing to see this, and you've grown up with so much love. मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी, घर का नाम है अद्वित्य. What does it mean and why Advitya?
Advitya was named by Sri Ravi Shankar ji. My mom from back in the day never had a name for the house. It was always Hema Malini ka Bangla. Had come home once and we had a beautiful session with Sri Ravi Shankar ji, and that was when my mother was like, we want to name this house. What do I name? Give me a name. So then he gave us. Advitya matlab Advit, na?
Mystic? Advit means
Anokha, unique.
Unique. Okay. Who was most strict at home?
So my grandmother has been a very important person in my life. Very disciplined, very strict. At the same time, she very strictly pampered us. Let me put it that way. So I've had a very strong bond during my growing up years with her and her sister, Shanta auntie we would call her. So she would give us the most yummiest food and cook herself. मेरी नानी इतनी strict थी कि मतलब supposing you're my friend and you're coming home like this, and if she was there, you and me both would be wearing a shrug on top and she'd be like, what is this you girls are wearing these days? फाड़ के कोई कपड़ा पहनता है. I'd colored my hair blonde at one point for a film and all. She's like, I'm coloring my hair black, I'm dyeing my hair and you girls are coloring your hair white, and what all she used to tell us, you know, it was too cute, yeah.
We always saw Hema ji as being very very graceful.
Yeah.
But still the industry was such, तो वो उनके लिए भी बहुत protective हुआ करते होंगे.
Very. The actual strict side of my grandmother has been only witnessed by my mother. So my mom would wear net, even if a sleeveless, but it was all skin कपड़ा net में पूरा सिल के आता था कपड़े.
The outfit उनकी mother पहले approve करते
हाँ.
थे. But what about your kids, Nani? How strict is Hema ji with them?
Very, very sweet grandmother, and she enjoys doing a lot of activities with them. With us, I think those years when me and my sister were growing up, she was so busy working. So she would do with us, but not to this extent. Now, whenever she's in Bombay, she's painting with them, dancing with them, singing with them. So she's enjoying.
वो बहुत travel करते रहते हैं.
हाँ जी, होते ही नहीं है इधर. Pura time she's Mathura's, she's the MP in Mathura, that's her constituency, and she genuinely loves Krishna Nagari.
Right.
So she's always there, and in Delhi for her parliaments, and she's very, very disciplined when it comes to her attendance and everything in parliament. I would say she's very sincere, very sincere.
तो उन्होंने आपको कोई tips दिए?
One of the best tips she ever gave me was how to hug a co-star while giving a shot without letting them hug you. I was like, wow, please tell me, because sometimes I mean, with all due respect, sometimes you don't want to. I'm not a very huggy person myself. I used to love hugging Papa and my mom and now my daughters. You know, usually this is how you hug, na?
Yeah.
But this is the hug. This way.
Like
So
how?
your
Like
control
you
is, you know, this is the guy.
हाँ.
And he comes to hug you. So you
Yeah.
hug him like this. So you automatically, you have entire control of how much he can come close to you and how much he can't.
She's really thought through this.
Yeah,
huh?
because she's been
Of
through it, no? So she
course,
learned
हाँ.
these tricks. She used to give me, and then she believes that me and she both have big foreheads. So tips, if you saw Jaya right now, was very much wanting to cover my forehead and do back combing. So she used to always say, we have such big foreheads, you know how big it looks on the screen. So few tips on how to, you know, make it look slightly better visually on screen.
Wow. Okay. And also Jaya, talking of Jaya,
Yeah.
I think जिन्होंने अभी आपका
Yeah,
makeup
Jaya
करते
and
हैं,
Narinder, both.
ये उनका भी करते हैं, हेमा मालिनी जी का
जी
भी
करते हैं, मम्मी के लिए भी करते हैं दोनों, and
सालों से
they
आपके
have
साथ
been
हैं?
with me from my first film.
Oh.
Yeah.
Which is more than 2 decades now.
Yeah,
almost,
apparently
हाँ.
next year I touch 25 years
Wow.
of working in this wonderful industry.
You know, मुझे एक बात आपको कब से बोलनी, जब से मैं आपको सुन रही हूँ, you sound so much like your mom.
Yeah.
You get that
Yes,
often?
I get that often, and I think the sounding more and more like her.
But what qualities of your mom do you have?
I think the way my approach, being a woman and having to put up a masculine front when you step out to work, especially, you can't be all the time, because when you're out there, you're working, it's the masculine energy that comes out for all of us women who work. That side I've seen from a very young age of hers, and I think that's something I've just imbibed. I can't handle too much drama. I really have no patience for all that, and I think I'm as blunt as her at times.
And what quality of your father have you imbibed?
Lots. Some I can say, some I can't. I don't think anyone can have a heart like his. That is uncompared. None of, I mean, we have it from him, but that larger heart only I have not seen anyone else have. We are all parts of it. So we have that quality in us, all of us, his kids. I think all of us are very happy to have that side of being empathetic, I think. A lot of his habits, his interior sense, you know, the way he likes the house to be, our choice and taste has been very similar. Now I've of course done a lot of meditation and I've worked on it, but there's little short fuse at times. He did meditation himself, so he told me you must do this.
I like the word that you've used.
Yeah, I mean we are humans, yeah.
जब इस घर के इंटीरियर्स हो रहे थे, तब ज्यादा डिसीजंस कौन ले रहा था?
So we all have our own flaws here. Let me put it that way. So my floor has a very different look. My sisters had a very different look. My mother's has a very different look. So I think it's each one's personality.
How is a Sunday brunch here?
Most South Indian. Forgot my
food
grandmom.
also.
We would eat with her. You think any Punjabi food was there on that table with a strict Iyengar Brahmin grandmom? No. Idli dosa on repeat for breakfast. I love South Indian food.
What is your favorite mealtime memory?
Nana and me would sit opposite my grandmother for breakfast before going to school, and every day, like I said, there was either idli or dosa, idli or dosa. And then, you know, we reached a point where we learned, and she would see whether we're eating or no. So we learned how to fake eat and run to school without eating. Finally, some tidbits from Sante.
Thankfully, आज सिर्फ इडली डोसा नहीं, we've got some really fancy food here.
No, but jokes apart, I wish I could have made my grandmother and all try this food.
And I personally love South Indian food, by
Yes.
the way. It's my daily go-to breakfast.
Oh,
Even though
that's
I'm
so
not a
good.
South Indian, I'm a Sindhi, and I'm sure you would have been introduced to this cuisine as well.
Absolutely, Yes. Sindhi kadhi, took
Yes.
with the bundi,
Yes.
meeta bundi on top. Yummy. Then dal pakwan, and I know they love eating a lot of non-veg
Yes.
from the mutton curry.
Did you learn anything?
Honestly, Bharat's mother, that was her department. I'm not sending you with such less food.
Okay.
This is let me call it teaser trailer.
Acha.
The main movie I will be taking you to eat. The
Okay.
movie.
So this is all from
Sante Spa Cuisine. Not just healthy and boring, it's healthy and tasty. Why don't you try the strawberry avocado chaat? And
wow. This is really good.
it's too good. Then that's the sushi. This is the dal bati churma.
Okay.
And you know, the best part is they are Indian dishes which are modernized or Western dishes which are Indianized.
Okay.
And with all healthy ingredients. And that is Mishti Doi with raspberry. Oh my god. Like I can have 3 of them in a go.
Mishti doi, which is actually a Bengali dish. इसको भी एक modern twist दिया है. Wow, this is so good.
It's so good, na? And made with almond milk.
इसका ट्रेलर इतना अच्छा है, अब मुझे पूरी मूवी देखनी है.
100%. Super hit है.
Super hit है.
Welcome to
Wow,
Sante.
it's a pretty place, yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It feels like I've landed myself in Goa. Wow, the food looks delicious. जैसे आपके घर पर था और भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत हो गया यहाँ खाना.
मैंने कहा ना, हिट फिल्म होगा यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल.
अब खा के देखो, मजा आएगा. This drink is the activated charcoal lemonade.
But I can see सब कुछ यहाँ पे स्ट्रॉ भी पत्तों का बना हुआ है.
Very organic, very sustainable. ये भी देखिए पानी के लिए, लेकिन ये मटकी का बना हुआ है.
Right.
So you know, it's got that back to your roots
Yes.
authenticity here.
बिल्कुल.
This is the green pizza और
Okay.
ये sourdough bread से बना है. And trust me, it is so tasty और इसमें बहुत सारे green vegetables है and it's tasty like a pizza, but you're eating a healthy pizza. And then we have the Mediterranean platter with hummus and you know different dips and there's tzatziki and everything. Nothing to feel guilty about. Then this is the roasted panini sandwich. And you know even the chips and the crackers are all made here at Sante Spa Cuisine. They're all homemade, I would say.
Wow.
My association with Sante Spa Cuisine actually starts back in the day when they launched in Pune, their first branch.
Okay.
And I have been eating over there regularly. In fact, whenever I would be in Pune, I would make it a point to go and eat at Sante. And of course, they branched out and then they felt me as the right fit for, associating my name with them.
तो यहाँ पर हम खा रहे हैं एशा के सारे फेवरेट डिशेस।
बिल्कुल।
मुझे बात बताओ, when you take life decisions or maybe like you know किसी पार्टनरशिप को हाँ बोलना और something, how do you decide? Instinctively या किसी से कंसल्ट करके, अपनी मॉम से डिस्कस करके, सिस्टर से डिस्कस करके, कैसे करते हो?
When it comes to decisions, I don't take others' opinions. I like to take my own decisions क्योंकि कल को सही हो या गलत मैं दूसरों को नहीं पकड़ूंगी उसके लिए. Be it choice of films, a boyfriend.
Yeah.
I think mistakes happen. They just make you stronger and you learn from your mistakes.
You've written, of course, a book about food. So does that include like a lot of recipes?
हमने घर में बहुत सारे recipes बनाए for a newborn like 6 months babies onwards till 2 years. और simple easy recipes थे जो हम लोग ने खुद बनाए और मेरी बेबी को खिलाया था. तो I wanted to help other women saying that 2 मिनट में बन जाएगा, easy बन जाता है, ज्यादा मगजमारी मत करो.
I love the word magazmari.
मगजमारी is straight Mumbai.
Such a
I can't help it. I live in Mumbai.
Of course.
All these words come out. मेरे को, तेरे को, अपन को, मगजमारी.
But tell me, आपकी मॉम की बनाई कोई एक ऐसी डिश जो कोई रेस्टोरेंट क्रिएट नहीं कर सकता है?
एक है डिश जो एक्चुअली डिम्पल आंटी है, कॉल हर. पनीर के टुकड़े और थोड़ा जीरा, थोड़ा कड़ी पत्ता, छोटा छोटा मिर्ची और तवे में डालो, हल्दी, नमक, onion little bit,
Okay.
and tadka the whole thing. Light, simple. Put it in a pav and give your child to eat. It's very
like a
tasty.
paneer sandwich basically. Okay, this is what Hema ji and Dimple ji have fed their kids. Paneer pav. What a recipe.
Paneer pav.
Paneer
Yeah.
pav. We gave it a name today.
Yeah, paneer pav.
Aisha has been out in the open, right? Even when you're going through your separation, I'm sure there was so much chatter around
Lots.
it.
See, that is something very personal. It's between two individuals, and I think being in a profession that we are in, it's open to public fodder. So I'm not the kind of person, nor is Bharat or his family, to be so open about a lot of things. But at that moment, we were put there. And also it involves kids. You know, these are very sensitive places in life. One has to trade through very carefully. My family has always been very supportive of me through everything, good or not good.
But there are a lot of women probably in the same boat who sometimes don't want to take that decision
Of separation.
of separation.
Correct.
You know, at what point should one then actually take that call for themselves?
See, again, I'm saying the reasons could be very different. A lot of people will find my reasons not so reasonable to do certain things. It's not just one person. And
Yeah.
it's always not only just the woman, it's the man also. You know, and I think two people who are good human beings, if they do something like this, I think it can be worked out better.
आपने मेंशन किया आप श्री श्री रविशंकर
रविशंकर
जी
जी
को भी फॉलो करते हैं, तो आप गए कभी उनके आश्रम में?
बिल्कुल गई हूँ. I've gone with my daughters and all of us love it there. क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए बहुत कुछ भी है वहाँ पर. मॉर्निंग योगा होता है, उनके लिए अलग से कोर्सेज हैं. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इनफैक्ट इवन भारत likes it. You know, we are good friends today. Touch wood. So we all enjoy doing these kind of things as a family together.
What is your idea of love? You've grown up seeing such
love and romance, I think, are the most important things in a person's life, which I'm currently missing. I love to be romantic. I've seen movies. I'm a complete rom-com, and I love those high-speed shots, and I love love songs, and I love love code.
But has your idea of love changed over a period of time?
No,
I mean-
no. These things don't change. These breakups happen. Yeah, I've had boyfriends in the past who we've broken up with. These things happen, but that doesn't dilute my ultimate idea of love in my head. I love.
I
the
mean,
idea
we've
of
all grown up see the unconditional love
Ah, yeah.
between Hema ji and Dharmendra ji,
Absolutely.
haven't we? So, you know, seeing that idea of love, do we raise our expectations too much?
Yes.
And do you think, yeah,
no,
right?
you know that level of love doesn't exist. I mean, I've seen it, I think, at the closest proximity. And there was
Absolutely.
dignity to it, there was respect in it, and there was unconditional love.
We all have loved Dharmendra ji so much.
I don't know how I've held myself together today. I mean, I love him and he's in my heart.
Best advice that he's given. if you can share that.
उन्होंने जितना भी दिया है मुझे, I use that even today. Especially being for a daughter, his advices were very, whatever your profession you're in, always hold your dignity and self-respect. These were two words he always used. And for our relationship between sisters, he always said there should be love and affection between you all. You know? So these words, they just come at the right time and hit you hard.
I'm going to give you a few food choices. You got to tell me what do you like. And
Okay.
it's a combination of Punjabi and
Yeah.
South Indian food dishes, okay? Rasam rice or sarson da saag.
Oh my God, you put me on the spot. Sarson ka saag for lunch, rasam rice for dinner.
Politically correct answer.
I can't do without both.
Curd rice or butter chicken.
Curd rice. My tair sadam with that little tadka.
Did you have a recipe of curd rice that you would like to share?
I do. I mean, you take your aika seeds and your kadi patta, then your the dry red chilies, tadka, all that, and then you make your curd rice separately. Add little milk in the dahi and mix it with your rice and keep it in the fridge. Let it cool.
Right.
Then you do your tadka and then just marinate
Yeah.
it with that. It's very simple, but this is
Okay.
proper South Indian style.
Is that your comfort food?
That is.
Filter coffee or lassi?
One filter coffee in the morning, one lassi for breakfast.
Lemon rice or chole bhature?
Oh my God! Listen, these are so tough. Lemon rice,
Banana leaf meal or butter naan?
mirchi butter naan
हाँ.
on the banana leaf.
Okay. Sambar vada or paneer tikka?
I like rasam vada.
Okay.
Rasam, the vada dipped in
Dipped
rasam.
into it, okay.
My mouth is watering now. Paneer tikka has been something that I've had a lot on shoots, on
Right.
outdoor shoots. Like that has been like you want that masala, you want to feel full, and you want to feel like you've eaten a meal. For me, that
And
is
healthy.
paneer tikka. हाँ.
Coconut chutney or mint chutney?
सोच समझ के you found these questions. Very nice question. I am proper north and south. What
Which
are you
is
doing
why.
to me? You're like, yeah, tearing me
Choose
apart.
one. This is interesting now. Pongal or rajma chawal?
Pongal.
Idiyappam or paratha?
Paratha.
Ghee pori dosa or makke di roti?
Ay, hi, hi.
I love ghee pori dosa, by the way.
I love both, by the way.
I can
What to
imagine.
do? I can't choose.
And then me ayyo or oy hoy?
तो आइयो मेरे मुंह से ज्यादा निकलता है. ओए होए would come out of like my dad's mouth so often and mama's ayo. So these sounds are so familiar to me. I can't choose.
We're gonna play another game. Who's most likely to? Who's the biggest foodie in your house?
My sister, she knows all the restaurants, all the recipes. Her cook is so well trained, everything. And after Anna is Radhya, my daughter, elder one. She loves cooking herself.
Who's most likely to be impossible to convince once they've decided something? Who has the best health and beauty secrets and tips to offer?
My mother, सबको खूबसूरत लगना है, सबको fit रहना है, सबको काम भी करना है. So even Madhu, she's related to us. So I would say my mother, lot of the women in my family.
तो कोई टिप्स दिया है हमें भी बताओ हम सबको सुंदर
This,
लगना है आपकी तरह.
I would say my skin and my looks are all gifted by my parents, and it's my duty as the child. If they have gifted me with this, I have to maintain it well and take care of it well. I think it's the simple rules you follow in life, being hydrated, genuinely, look at your fitness not as a thing to impress someone, but impress yourself with fitness. Do meditation, yoga. दिमाग ठीक नहीं है तो खुद को क्या संभालोगे आप?
आप करते हो मेडिटेट रोज?
हाँ, मैंने शुरू किया मेडिटेशन. 2-3 साल हो गए मैंने शुरू किया. एक समय आया लाइफ में कि आई हैड टू sit and go inward, take the inward journey.
Who's most likely to forget replying to messages?
My mother never reply.
तो आप उन्हें फोन करते
Then
हो
phone
जरूर.
करके.
What about comments? Does it bother you?
It bothers me when it reaches my family. I don't think anyone will tolerate it. So currently my comments have been kept off.
Actually, you've kept it off.
Yeah, I am not my team. They do
Yeah.
because I'm not that good on social media. But I'm saying it honestly. But we just decided to because it got a bit too overwhelming at the time, like which is so sensitive to our family.
तो आपने अब तक ऑफ रखा है?
मुझे नहीं पता. I think
हाँ.
so. लेकिन
क्लियरली शोज कि आप नहीं चेक कर
नहीं
रहे
मैं
हो.
नहीं क्योंकि आई थिंक एक्सेसिबिलिटी अगर हम दे रहे हैं आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म, रिस्पेक्ट इट.
Yeah.
You like something, like it. If you don't, then a lot of actresses come from very dignified way of being and thinking, and then they have to succumb to some trashy talk. As women, we don't want that. Come with a certain dignity and self-respect. We deserve that.
You know, you speak of yourself as somebody who takes her own decisions, who's fairly independent. You've not taken a back seat at all. Your life is also
Whose daughter I am? You think I'll ever take a back seat?
And you
They
should
both
never.
have. My dad never took a back seat. My mother's still on it. Oh, that's the tres leeches.
Yes.
Please try it.
Yeah.
And this is the mango mousse with chia seeds. Not very sweet, no?
Perfect it is. I'm also feeling very full after having that curd, I think.
Season of mangoes.
I saw 2 पेटी आम आपके घर आ रही थी.
फैमिली के जो फैंस होते हैं, they are so sweet यार. They send mangoes, भेजेंगे, कभी कोई ड्रैगन फ्रूट भेज रहा है.
It's amazing that how you've been receptive to it. Because लोग बहुत प्यार से भेजते हैं. When they're
जी.
sending it, it's really selflessly. They just
Yeah.
want you to, you know, try it.
Yeah.
And it's just way of expression of love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've learned this from my father. He allowed it.
इसे जो भेज रहे हैं.
खाने दो, खाने हम खाएंगे.